Japanese takoyaki. Delicious Japanese street food, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and a fun family activity. You're gonna love it. Let's make Japanese squid balls. All you need is the batter, your favorite fillings, and the signature takoyaki toppings to finish it all off. First, we'll mix the signature takoyaki batter. In a large bowl, crack your eggs and whisk until smooth. Add your dashi broth, a little salt, and a splash of soy sauce. Then, sift the flour so you get that light, silky consistency. If it feels too thick, add a touch more water. Takoyaki batter should be thin so that the outside gets crispy and the inside stays super soft. Next, let's prep the fillings that take this iconic street food to the next level. Start with your boiled octopus. You can usually find it in the frozen seafood section. Cut it into small, bite-sized chunks. Chop your scallions and finely dice the pickled ginger. That gives takoyaki its color and punch. Takoyaki grills have these open half circles. They're very easy to find online. After heating, make sure that each circle is well oiled.
Stir a little bit before you use. Only halfway. Okay.
After the circles are filled halfway, add in your fillings. We're doing octopus and cheese, or?
Yeah, maybe if you have octopus, have cheese.
Is this too big?
No. Quickly.
You cap it off. Get some more batter.
All right, so we just put the batter right on top like that? Oh, okay. Pour enough batter to fill every mold, letting it spill over so the entire griddle is covered. That's how takoyaki gets its shape.
Yeah.
He's so smart. Add in a little fried wheat flour for crunch and texture. The cheese actually is pretty good.
Yeah. So the octopus and cheese have way different textures. I'm not sure which one I like more.
I like the octopus. A little more crunchy.
It's not crunchy, but it's a little chewy compared to the other part of the squid ball.
But Ray, you're right, the inside's really soft.
Yeah, that's why my butter is very thin, so like make the inside really nice and soft.
You definitely need patience.
A lot of patience. So first you want to loosen that film and then...
Taste this. Pretty good.
Well, this butter I did is even you don't put any sauce, it's still very
Really
good.
tasty.
Yeah.
cheese already.
Yeah, this side it kind of stronger, so this side is pretty much ready.
Can I go get a little plate?
Yeah.
This one?
Mhm.
This one?
Mhm.
Yeah, that was nice.
They actually come out looking like bowls.
First, you just think it's gonna come out as a pancake.
This one.
This one too?
Yeah. Move some to this side.
Go. Ooh, nice. Those look good. Yeah,
Yeah, you eat.
Chopsticks.
It's hot.
These shavings, what are these shavings called?
That's bonito flakes. Besides octopus
They
ball.
look like they're dancing on the octopus bowls.
Yeah, that's your son called like a dancing something.
Look at that. That's so cool. Should we try?
Sure.
Okay. Wow. So good.
The octopus gives a great texture.
You like more the octopus or the cheese ball?
I think I like the octopus.
When you open it, it's so soft on the inside, but the outside really has that crunch.
Talk it over ECN.
Wait, when you lived in Japan, was this one of your favorite street foods?
Yeah. So after I started working in high school, the first salary,
This is not ready yet.
I take my sister to eat this.
She
Aw,
liked
you treated your sister on your first paycheck?
Yeah, usually we share one, but this time we got one. Each of us get one, maybe more.
It's kind of sweet. And there you have it. Fresh, homemade takoyaki Japanese squid balls. Fun, tasty, really fun for the whole family. Join us next time on Real Plates, Real Life. We would really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, and we appreciate all the love and support. Any comments, or tell us if you've tried these or if you had them in Japan. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, Real Plates, Real Life. We'll see you soon.